Alright, today we're going to do a galaxy painting here, so stay tuned and we'll check it out.
Alright, so the question of the day is, who is the first country to land on the dark side of the moon?
Alright, about ready to run through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, alizarin, pearly red, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, and primary yellow. Let's get this party started. Alright, for the first layer you just kind of want to put in the background. So the background is going to be kind of lighter colors because you're going to build colors on top, so it's going to darker as you go along. So let's get started. We got the base layer down, so now I'm going to add another layer on top of this, kind of cover up these stars that I initially put down, and this will give it a brighter, it'll give the stars depth as they sink into the background. So we'll do multiple layers and then keep splashing the dots, and that'll kind of make some of the stars really far in the background and some up close.
So the question of the day was, who is the first country to land on the dark side of the moon? So as you probably know, the first space race was between the US and the Soviet Union. And actually the Soviet Union were the first to hard crash on the moon in, I think it was 70, no. I'll look up the date. Anyway, they landed first on the US. The US obviously made 12, they made 6 land missions with humans. They're the only country to do so. But as far as hard landing, there was also India, Japan, and China. Now China was the only one to actually soft land a rover on the dark side of the moon and take the first pictures of the dark side of the moon, which is amazing if you think all these other countries could have done it before and they didn't bother to. But China was the one that first did that in 2013 and just now too, 2018. Congratulations, China.
Alright, we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look here. So as you can see, it has like this nice black to purple to blue to reds, obviously a white center to show that, and you have the stars. And of course, because you've been layering this along the way with different layers of color, you're going to see a lot. You're going to see stars further back in the background, and then the ones closest up are the freshest sprayed from the scene. I like it pretty well. I like the colors a lot. It's a little bit off center, some of the parts, maybe I could fix it, but I think it's pretty good overall. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks, guys.